In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Smartsheet from Excel. Let's dive right in and simplify your Excel interface by getting rid of unwanted Smartsheet add-ins. Sometimes, these add-ins can clutter your workspace, or perhaps they're simply not needed in your current workflow. Whatever the reason, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step to ensure that you can perform this task easily and smoothly. First, let's open Microsoft Excel. Once you have Excel up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a whole new menu of options for us to explore. From this new menu, you'll need to look down the left side and locate Options. Click on Options to open up the Excel Options dialog box. Here, you'll encounter various settings that allow you to customize Excel to fit your needs. However, our focus today is on managing add-ins. So, in the Excel Options window, look over to the left side and find the section labeled Add-ins. Click on this section and you will be presented with all the information regarding add-ins installed on your Excel. Now, shift your gaze down to the bottom area of this window where you'll see a small drop-down menu labeled Manage. This is where all the magic happens. Click the arrow to reveal a list of different kinds of add-ins you can manage. For removing the Smartsheet add-in, start with selecting Excel add-ins from the list and then hit the Go button right next to it. A new smaller window will pop up, showing a checklist of all your current Excel add-ins. Browse through the list carefully and find any add-ins related to Smartsheet. If you find any, you simply need to uncheck the box next to them. That's it. You've now deactivated the Smartsheet Excel add-in from this list. In some instances, you might find that Smartsheet is listed under COM add-ins instead. Not to worry, the process is quite similar. Go back to your Manage drop-down menu at the bottom of the Excel Options window, and this time select COM add-ins before clicking Go. Here, another list will pop up. Look through it, and if you find any Smartsheet add-ins listed here, select them and click Remove. Once you've unchecked or removed the Smartsheet add-in, don't forget to click OK to confirm your changes. This ensures everything is saved and the add-in is fully removed from your Excel setup. And there you have it, folks. That's all you need to do to remove Smartsheet from Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day simplifying your Excel workspace.